Hello student, this is Gautam Sinha. In my this today's class, I am going to discuss about the topic global warming. Global warming. Global warming is a topic from the chapter Our Environment. Already greenhouse effect I have dealt in my previous video, and that topic is almost attached with it. What is global warming? A slight ray of hint I have given you in the greenhouse effect. The warming of this global, that means this earth, the heating of this earth. Why? Due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases. Due to the accumulation of these greenhouse gases, the earth gets heated. It could be easily felt. In every decade, 1% of the average temperature is going to be increased with respect of the previous decade, and this is only due to the accumulation of these greenhouse gases. What are greenhouse gases? Again, I need to remind you, greenhouse gases are like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons and nitrous oxide. These four are the main major greenhouse gases, and what they do, when their concentration on this biosphere, in this atmosphere, becomes higher, which is right now happening, and what they do, they prevent the escaping of the heat. They remaining the heat around us, and due to this, that average temperature of this earth is going to be heated, is going to be increased, and this is called global warming. So question often comes, what is global warming? The heating of the earth, the heating of this global existence due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases is called global warming. Why? Due to accumulation of these greenhouse gases. The next thing is that, what are the effects of this global warming? What will happen in the coming days, or what is happening right now? So now the topic is, what are the effects of the global warming? The major effect, I am just going to explain it. The major effect is the increase in the sea level. The level of the sea going to be increased, and it always comes in the news that in very near future we will see that some coastal areas will be flooded by their seas, whosoever the different cities which are right now very close by to the coastal areas, and if the seas and some oceans are very nearby to them, that in near future there is one alarming fact is that we will lose that particular city. It is also said for in India also, for the Mumbai and Visakhapatnam and the Tuticorin post, or the Tamil Nadu, the different coastal areas, that we will lose in future these cities, because the sea level when it gets increased, then these all cities will get flooded, this liquefied, and if they are liquefied, then you cannot imagine any kind of population would be there. Really, it's alarming for us. And my dear student, always this is right now the one of the primary concern for all the environmentalists, all the scientists across the globe. I am just reminding you that in the year of 1992, when the first global summit was being held in the Rio de Janeiro, the Earth Global Summit, when all the scientists from the different corners of the globe, they gathered on at that time, and they were finalizing that what we will do. That is almost 30 years back. And they come to some conclusion that we need to reduce this CO2 first, because this is the most major greenhouse gas which is responsible for this global warming. And if we are not able to reduce it, we will see very drastic situation in the coming days. The first effect is the increase in sea level. Increase in sea level. Of course, things coming in your mind, why this sea level gets increased, how it will happen. It's very clear. As there will be much heat, then the ice from our glaciers, from the polar ice sheets will get melt. And as they will get melt, that they are not reaching to our doors. They will not reach to our home. They will first go, that liquid will go to the oceans and the seas, and the sea's depthness, the sea's level gets increased. So this is one of the greatest effect. Next, there are also major one. We will see their effect also on there would be increase in the number of parasites if this global warming will continue. So there are so many consequences. There are so many. So we need to really, it's a toughest challenge in front of all of us to check this increasing amount of the CO2. So there are also so many, but for the class 10th level, you need to know about this. Melting of ice glaciers from the ice sheets, and increase in sea level, the fertilizers, the pesticides, different cuts increase. Next, how to minimize? Question might be coming. How to minimize it? Minimize. How to control? I will ask to you, how this level of CO2 in our atmosphere, how it can be reduced? Can be reduced by only one way, by planting more and more trees. As much as the number of trees, they will do photosynthesis, and in the photosynthesis they will utilize this CO2, and if they utilize the CO2, the level of CO2 is going to be reduced, and we will be able to overcome this greatest devil in front of us, that is global warming. So first is promote afforestation, planting of trees. This is the primer one. Almost in all the summits, whatever the Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, Rio de Janeiro Summit, the first conclusion they are coming to reduce this carbon dioxide level, and so there is also one way to plant more and more trees. Next one, we have to use the energy efficient devices. Why we are not using the CFC freeze refrigerators? Where these CFCs comes? CFCs comes from the air conditioners, from the refrigerators. If we will use CFCs free refrigerators, air conditioners, then also. So use of CFC free devices, that refrigerators or maybe the air conditioners. Less use of the fossil fuels, the next one. Fossil fuels, less use. fossil fuels. So my dear student, if these steps will be taken, then we will be able to overcome. This is not only a topic, this is really in front of us, it's a biggest challenge. And I would appeal you from everyone also that okay, that's a topic I'm just dealing in my this video lesson class about the global warming, but you must plant one tree in your house. The number of whatever the members number are there, as much as the trees must be in your surrounding, and it must be planted by you peoples. Then the real aspect of this my topic would be fulfilled. I hope you must will follow my words. So this is the whole concept of the global warming for the up to the at least class 10th level, and definitely you have taken the benefits, you might have taken the benefits. So it's your moral duty also to share to others, and like my this video, subscribe my channel and share to others definitely. Thank you my dear students.